ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Well, I apologize again today for not getting to you, but again, it's just been so hectic and so busy here with the markets. We need to take care of our members first. So again, I'll say here on the opening comment, go to our website, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. You get everything here in a real-time setting. You won't have to wonder if and when I'm going to come on and what we're doing with the positions we may talk about on here. Dow Jones closes up 246 today, closing slightly below 8,100 on the heels of Wells Fargo coming out, pre-announcing earnings to be 2 times better than expected, even more than that. I think they were looking for 24 cents a share. They're looking at earning 55 cents. A few things that did come out. We had some negative same-store sales from some of the retailers. Walmart was one of them. The stock got smacked here early in the day. It closed down $1.95 at 50.66. But you know what? We took advantage of this drop here this morning because it moved back into its 20-day moving average. Let me just make sure I'm not misspeaking here. Yeah, no, it actually came back in its 50-day moving average, almost to the penny. We took advantage, got long the stock at 49.85. We're running a stop now below the lows of today. We're ahead 80 cents on that position swing trade right now. And stock got into the low 51s. We didn't choose to take profits because I think the gap from today is going to get filled on the upside in the low 52s. Another spot that we still are long, we've talked about that we are long, is Teva Pharmaceutical. Stock finally broke out here today. I like the fact that it broke out. It closed at 46.42. I think we can see 47 on it, and I think we can see even higher prices on that. We're going to continue to run a stop down below the lows at 44 3/4 for the time being. If you take a look here today, the stock traded real nice volume. The highest volume is traded on it for the whole week, and it broke out to the upside, so I like that. Technically, I think it looks great. I think it's going higher. Plus the fact I think the stock can hold up in some choppy market conditions. Speaking of the overall market, we'll get to 2 more positions that we are in. But you know, we were at a plus 124 heading into today on the McClellan Oscillator. Now we're going to probably be up and over 200 because of the big move we had. The Dow up 246 points, the NASDAQ up 62 points. You had the banks, as I mentioned, on the heels of Wells Fargo surging some 15% today. You had the bank index up 5.5 points. You had the retailers up 14.5, and you had the breaths super again, 2,600 advance, 300 decline. You had oil up $2.80. You got gold down $6. I still continue to be bearish gold, but all in all, I think we're going to have some chop in here. I don't think you can get Google still again to the upside. We've talked 8,400 to 9,000 broadly defined. We think that's still going to happen. One of our stocks in the banking sector that we have been long since the $11 area is Wintrust Financial. The stock closed at 16.31. Again, if you were a member of ours, you would just be long the stock here and you'd be able to sleep at night, unlike a lot of the other bank stocks. I love that stock. I think it's going a lot higher. We're up some 50% on that trade right now with not sweating at all. Let's talk about a couple of other stocks that we are positioned in. We are positioned in FO, Fortune Brands, on the short side. Take a look at the stock here. It just continues to surge. The stock was trading sub 24 here 6-7 trading days ago, 8 trading days ago. Now it's pressing the 36 level. I think it's ludicrous. The stock is jammed overbought on not only the RSI up at 87, McClellan, or the stochastics up in the 98 area. I think it's absolutely crazy. I think the stock is a real nice short sell from here. I look for the stock back down at least to the 32.5 area. Another spot that we are actually short as well is Target. We're long Walmart, we're short Targets. We've kind of got a matched off paired trade there. The stock did nothing, nor did Fortune Brands the whole afternoon. While the rest of the market surged, these stocks kind of just chopped sideways and did nothing. I like that. If you look at the chart on Target, it's jammed overbought as well. It's peeking its head right to the 200-day moving average. I like that. Now, both on Fortune Brands and Target, I'm willing to short more up into some further strength. I'm going to short some more Fortune Brands if need be, up into the 37, 38 area. I don't think it gets there, but I've only got a partial position right now. Same with Target. I'm willing to short that as it pushes a little higher into the 41 area. I don't think they're gonna, but that's my game plan right here. Again, both are jammed overbought on RSI and stochastics, and I really think both of them are, as I'm just taking a look at something here, I think both of them are gonna crack this week here. You've got the McClellan starting to get a little overbought, and you've got these stocks here up into the jammed overbought area. Now, the one thing I like about Target here is the retailers, RTH. If you look at the retailers index, it got up into the 200-day moving average and stopped dead. So I think this is a real nice spot we've got on all of our positions. We're long Walmart, we're long Teva Pharmaceutical, we're short Target, and we're short Fortune brands. So that's where we stand. Now again, you know, if you're members of ours, you're going to get all this stuff here in a real-time setting. You're going to get this all while it's happening. You'll be watching some of our swing trades and day trades live while they're taking place. You know, one of our real nice swing trades we had this week, earlier in the week on Monday, we wanted to short UBS. We wanted to short Wynn Resorts because UBS came out and gave an upgrade on it. The stock, you know, was absolutely ridiculous. It had just been 20 a couple days prior, 3 or 4 days prior. It was pressing the 30 level. It was up 50% in 3 or 4 days. The following day, the stock got cracked for $4. That was a huge swing trade we had. Just overnight, we picked off 4 points. Never sweated on that one. If you're looking for this type of stuff, I don't know why you don't go to our site, professionalstocktraderlive.com. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. You've got nothing to lose but time and money, especially if you're looking for some trading ideas or you're just looking to become educated on the market. For $11 a month, actually $10.99, it's the best thing out there. Our members tell us that. They continue to send us great emails. You know, thanks, Brian, for your site and service. I just made enough money to pay for your service for the next 20 years. We continue to get this all the time. I appreciate all those compliments that we do get, even from you YouTubers. You send me emails. I appreciate that. I certainly hope you appreciate these comments that we do make here. Again, the best way to assure that you're getting the information is to just go ahead and join our site. I don't have anything else to add other than have yourselves a great Easter weekend, and we'll try and be back Monday morning with our pre-open comment. And quite possibly, maybe I'll be on this weekend with talking about a couple of stocks, but I'm not sure. But in any event, have yourselves a great weekend. We'll be back Monday morning.